Have you ever had a prospect who seemed genuinely interested, who asked for information, and then completely disappeared? Here's a thought. What if they didn't disappear? What if you simply lost track of the conversation? Today, I want to talk about one of the biggest hidden problems in recruiting: keeping track of your conversations. Most recruiters believe they need more leads, but very often, the problem isn't lead generation at all. The real problem is lead management. Think about how many conversations you have in a single week. Facebook Messenger, text messages, phone calls, LinkedIn, email. After just a few days, everything starts to blend together, and without a system to hold it all, important opportunities quietly slip away. Over the years, I've learned that every conversation should answer 4 simple questions. Who did I talk to? What did we discuss? What is the next step? And when should I follow up? Those 4 answers eliminate most of the confusion recruiters experience. Because the goal isn't to remember everything. The goal is to build a process that remembers for you. This is where many recruiters struggle. They fall back on sticky notes, on memory, on spreadsheets, on random screenshots, and eventually, things start to fall through the cracks. Consistency becomes difficult because the system isn't supporting the recruiter. And that is exactly why organization matters more than motivation. The recruiters who consistently grow their business usually aren't doing anything magical. They're simply managing their conversations better. They know who needs attention today. They know who to follow up with next. And they have a system that keeps them moving forward. If you'd like a simple framework for building those habits, download the free MLMSCOPE Quick Start Guide using the link below. Thanks for watching, and remember, recruit with calm, grow with consistency.